Hi, and welcome to another edition of Weekly Market Report by tradersclub.co.uk. My name is Philip Concher. You can get hold of me on philip@tradersclub.co.uk. Alternatively, you can follow on Twitter at Philip Concher. Feel free to visit our website as well and check out blog section where you'll find more reports about topics on markets in general. Disclaimer, just to cover ourselves, anything that we discuss here is available in a public domain and therefore it should not be considered to be advice for your trading or investment. We are simply sharing the information for the benefit of the club members. Let's look at our weekly market analysis, this time looking at three currency pairs. I'll try and finish this very quickly, possibly 5 minutes max. We can start our analysis looking at euro-dollar. On weekly time frame, euro-dollar appears to be in clearly defined uptrend, and no matter what Mario Draghi intended to say and intended to do, almost kind of backfired and created a further euro strength rather than intended euro weakness. The initial resistance are obviously these current highs at 1383. And obviously these slightly lower highs at 1371. A weekly or a daily breakout above these levels could potentially target 1383 as a next logical resistance level. On a daily time frame, this appears to be confirmed as well with a breakout above this rising trend line resistance. And the way we can see this at the moment is that this current levels at 1365 would offer some logical level of support on the way down. Alternatively, we're talking about 50 period moving average on daily at 1357 followed by 1355 as the logical levels of support on the way down. Alternatively, the breakout above this 1371 could potentially target 1383 as a next logical level of resistance. 4-hourly and hourly intraday timeframes appear to be the same, obviously confirming the same levels of support and resistance as well. Okay, let's look at cable on a weekly time frame. This appears to be quite bullish as well. We are challenging quite a level of very important resistance levels at 1638, which is a cluster of previous highs. And if we look at this on the daily time frame, it appears to be confirmed by a breakout outside this fairly long consolidation range. This appeared to be a double top, and we had a couple of fake outs underneath this neckline, but it didn't materialize in such a way. It actually reversed and it went higher. So the logical level of support are obviously these previous highs at 1624 and also 20 period moving average on the daily time frame, which is quite a significant support at the moment. A loss of this support and a daily close below 1624 could potentially target 50 period moving average at 1612 as a next logical level of support, and obviously this previous low at 1611. Alternatively, if this level confirms to be a level of support at 1624 and if retest of that confirms the support, potentially we could target higher levels at 1638 again as a level of resistance, followed by 16, this is a little bit messy, but here we go, 1644 as the next logical level of resistance. If we check this out on 4-hourly and hourly time frame, it appears to be the same. This appears to be a continuation pattern. They tend to be bullish. They tend to break out in a direction of the prevailing trend, which is in this case uptrend. So a 4-hourly, in this case, a breakout, or at least hourly breakout above 1638 could potentially target 1644 as a next logical level of resistance, and even higher. So let's close this and look at our dollar yen. Dollar yen on a weekly time frame appeared to be quite bullish as well. We could see that there was quite a bit of consolidation here for a number of months, and finally we saw a breakout. Our last last weeks we kind of looked at this as well, and I was saying that usually after 3, 5 or 8, in this case 5 weekly gains, we see a period of sideways consolidation, which is roughly what happened because of the significance of the news, fundamental news and releases that were coming out last week, including the non-farm payroll as well, which might indicate possibility of tapering or not. So this is what happened on a weekly time frame. Clear breakout, and resistance is definitely at this current high at 103.73. Daily or a weekly breakout above that level could potentially target even further highs and higher levels, including this 200 period on 107.32. But that's a monthly time frame. You cannot really trade on monthly. This is really longer term overview. So a daily appears to be quite bullish with a little bit of a pullback, and we are targeting 103.73 as a next logical level of resistance. Support would be at 101.62, followed by obviously this 20 period moving average 101.41, and obviously the cluster of these previous lows at 101.10. The loss of these levels could potentially target 50 period at 99.59, and definitely 99.11 as a levels of support on the way down. But that would be a very, very deep retracement. In 4-hourly time frame, this appears to be even clear cut. The confirmation of this consolidation pattern, continuation pattern, a breakout on the way up. It's pointing to 103.36 as the next logical level of resistance, and the support in this case, apart from the already mentioned levels, would be at 102.30. I'm rushing to finish this very quickly. Hopefully you enjoy this. It's a very short video, and I'll hope to post some more. So let me know if you like it. Thanks. Bye.